We show you the 2020 ProMaster City. The RAM ProMaster City is available in multiple trims and comes with backup cameras, hands-free calling, and low floor heights. The wide variety of configurations allows you to find the right fit for you and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering. Come see the car for yourself.